This boat's bigger than Big Ben. When Russian billionaire industrialist Andrei Malenchenko decides to build a yacht, he doesn't screw around. Malenchenko already owns this $300 million beast, but his latest vessel is even bigger. At 143 meters high, Sailing Yacht A is 10 meters taller than Big Ben in London. This is due to its 3 large carbon fiber masts. The vessel was reportedly piloted using touch-sensitive controls, meaning its gigantic sails can be raised and lowered by the swipe of a screen. Using a sail-assisted motor, it will reportedly be capable of cruising at around 16 knots, or approximately 30 kilometers per hour. The yacht will likely be manned by a crew of 54 and have room for 20 guests. It'll also feature 8 floors, a helipad, and a swimming pool. The vessel has already been spotted sailing in Gibraltar and Monaco.
Say no to safe spaces on YouTube. Support TomoNews at patreon.com/TomoNews.
Fascinated by that aquatic tour de force? Then stick around for more. Green energy boat set to circumnavigate the globe. A self-sufficient boat run entirely on emission-free energy is soon to set to embark on its maiden voyage around the world. The Energy Observer is a multi-hulled catamaran and former racing vessel that's being converted into a green vessel. It will be equipped with 130 square meters of solar paneling, 2 vertical axis wind turbines, and 2 reversible electric motors. Its green technology allows the boat to run emission-free on solar and wind power during the day. The vessel will also be fitted with electrolysis equipment to produce hydrogen from seawater. The hydrogen will be stored in tanks and used to power the boat's fuel cells at night, or when there is no sun or wind. The Energy Observer will begin a 6-year-long journey in spring, stopping in 50 countries and 101 ports of call as it circumnavigates the globe. The 4.2 million euro vessel is currently sitting in a shipyard in Saint Malo, France, awaiting the start of its years-long trip.
Norway announces an engineering world first. Norway will spend $315 million on the world's first ship tunnel in a bid to improve maritime safety and cut journey times. The 1,700-meter-long tunnel will carve through the solid rock of the Stad Peninsula in western Norway, allowing ships weighing up to 16,000 tons to pass between 2 fjords. The tunnel will allow cargo vessels and passenger ships to navigate more safely through the Stadhavet Sea. The width between the tunnel walls is 36 meters. A traffic light system will be used to show when it's safe to pass. The team behind the tunnel expects that 5 ships per hour will be able to pass through it. Construction on the project will begin by 2019 at the earliest, with completion expected by 2023. The U.S. has a robot warship that can hunt enemy submarines. The Department of Defense is reportedly home to many a robotic contraption these days, but they've all got nothing on this bad boy. The Sea Hunter is an autonomous drone designed primarily to track enemy submarines that are equipped with quiet electric diesel engines. It is currently being tested by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. Unveiled in April 2016, the 40-meter vessel can travel at 31 miles per hour. It has no armaments. Its design resembles a Polynesian outrigger canoe. This helps it navigate the ocean and handle challenging 6-meter-high waves. Advanced software and hardware allow it to operate autonomously around other vessels and remain at sea for months at a time. The testing period is set to finish in 2018. If it's successful, it will be handed over to the U.S. Navy. Say no to safe spaces on YouTube. Support TomoNews at patreon.com/TomoNews. Japanese drilling boat to probe the Earth's mantle. This Japanese drilling boat could soon be the first ever vessel to penetrate the Earth's mantle. The Earth's mantle is found deep beneath the planet's crust and is much thinner on the ocean floor than on land. It's with this in mind that scientists plan to use the Chikyu drill boat to bore into the mantle by 2030. After sinking 4 kilometers to the ocean floor, the boat would drill through 6 kilometers of crust before reaching the mantle. The researchers want to investigate the mantle itself and also if microorganisms exist within it.